Welcome to Kodia TV and I am Lena. Moving to the Eastern region of Ghana, Achema Kroso Chief hails Mahama and his governance, described 8 months' work as unprecedented. The chief of Achema Kroso, Nana Kwabno Foriata II, has lauded President John Dramani Mahama and the National Democratic Congress (NDC) government for their exemplary governance, describing their achievements in just 8 months as unprecedented and worthy of commendations. Nana Kwabno Foriata II made those remarks when the national chairman of NDC, Mr. Johnson Asiedin Ketia, paid a courtesy call on him at the palace in Achim Akroso. The visit formed part of the chairman Nketia's 3-day thank you tour to the Eastern region, expressing his admiration for the current administration. The chief stated, "It's just 8 months into power, but the work of President John Dramani Mahama and his government are unprecedented. We've observed significant changes in various sectors, demonstrating truly good governance." He highlighted the swift and impactful progress made, commending the government's dedication to national development within a relatively short period. The NDC national chairman, Johnson Asiedin Ketia, used the opportunity and apologized on behalf of the party executives in case something didn't go well, and called for their support as he pledged collaboration between the chiefs and government, stating that the chiefs play a crucial role in the governance of the country. Let's go and see what he stated during his visit.
Send your man going in for the swing of him when they make one in the ones in the other. As I was in film watching a mania I have from me, and who I am. Let's say, swimming watching me. Won't this will be up above? Now, say, it's coming to be able to cry. You are not talking. Mahama about to say on Twasso. Now, you see, I am from my and I'm the national, extra month. And this says, I don't know, but you're tired, so and then so, and father said, "What the other did someone with the idea in a couple President Techiman. Na anamo asese yutufa ho na so nya timi atuafa ebiem so ye be pacho say party mpanifo I wo region o frɛ na o momfa meja me number asese